Hi, my beautiful beauties. I hope you all are doing well in your life, guys. So, today I'm here to tell you that how to affirm your food, how to affirm your water before taking it. Okay, so why affirmation is important, and actually, first question you always just remember in your brain that what is actually meaning of affirmations, guys. As you all know, our words having some power, right? We all are know about this phenomena. Like in previous time, there is one line also saying by my mother, my grandparents, and my father, and all elder peoples, like शब्दों में ताकत होती है. Okay, so there is a point, actually words having some kind of power in it, and the words having positive vibrational thoughts, the negative vibrational thoughts, it's totally depend on your thinking, your negative and positive process of your brain. Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna tell you that why affirmation is important and how can you achieve it by doing just simple 2-3 works in your daily life. Okay, so basically, affirmation is an important tool and important technique, as you all can say, for attracting whatever you want in your life. Okay, so why affirmation is important? Because it is the easiest tool to achieving and manifesting your goals. Okay, now let me tell you how can you achieve affirmations very fast, very easily, without doing any kind of tamjam in your life. Okay, so there are so many clients or so many people just asking me, oh god, I have so much kind of busy schedule in my life and I just forget to affirm myself. I'm just forget it, totally forget it. How can I just doing it? I didn't remember all the affirmations properly. What can I do? So as you all have so much kind of busy schedules, day to day life, so let me tell you a simple chotu trick. Okay, so this is the trick. As you see, there is a glass of water in front of me. Okay, it is fully filled with the simple distilled water or normal water. Okay, so just don't be confused about any kind of water. Okay, it's just a simple water and it is in a glass. Okay, transparent glass. So make sure that don't use any kind of colored glass. Okay, just use this transparent glass over here with this technique, with that technique also. Okay, okay guys, now what you have to do, just hold your glass with this way. Okay, and just look at that water, its motion, its each and everything. Okay, you have to do this technique in early morning. Okay, just look its motion. Okay, for about 20 seconds, not more than 20 seconds. It's enough, more than enough. Now affirm it with your positive thoughts, with your positive words. As you all know, words have power and it's totally depend on our thoughts that what actually words take, the positive one or the negative one. Say to this water, hi, love you water, thank you so much for being in my life. You are very precious. You are going deep inside my body and you making me positive, you making me slim, you making me beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And just drink it. It is simple as that. And if you want affirmation in Hindi, then definitely I will tell you. Hi water, thank you so much मेरी ज़िंदगी में आने के लिए. आप मेरे लिए बहुत प्रीशियस हो. आप मेरी बॉडी के अंदर जा रहे हो, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव बना रहे हो, स्लिम बना रहे हो, खूबसूरत बना रहे हो और मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना रहे हो. तहे दिल से. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you, water. And then just drink it. Okay, it is simple as that. No kind of mathematical equations is just running in this. Okay, and you can affirm your food like this way also. Okay, so just drink this affirm water. Now this water is really very precious because your positive thoughts, your positive thinking is just in this water. Okay, so you can do this. Now after doing this technique, you have to no worries about just thinking it again and again that oh my god, I'm not giving myself affirmations, positive affirmations. Oh god, my technique will be just in what direction my technique is going, I don't know, I don't have an idea. Don't be panic. Just drink it twice a day or thrice a day. It's totally depend on your schedule, your busy schedule. Okay, but at least twice a day. Okay, and then after drinking it, just ignore each and every aspect of your life. Now this is the simple affirmation which I'm just passing in this water. If you want any special kind of affirmation, totally depend on your goal, your manifestation. Like I want to eat pasta. Okay, then what affirmation I will give to this water? Always just hold water with this way. Okay, hi water, good morning, or whatever time you are just doing it. Okay, hi water, good morning. As you know, I eat pasta a lot. Now after drinking you, my pasta will just vanish from my stomach and it will give me the goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you, water. Okay, so give affirmations to the water and just drink this water twice a day. Will make your day really very good. You will feel some kind of positivity in it. Okay, and how to positive in instant way, I will tell you on my Instagram. So just make sure that you will follow my page also. Okay guys, so this is the way you can affirm your water. So I hope you all are enjoying this video, and after watching this simple affirmation technique, you will definitely follow this. Love you बहुत सारा, and just be positive. Bye.